Good afternoon, volleyball fans. Be ready because we are now heading to our fourth game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Mula sa ating fourth game, matutunghayan natin ang bakbakan between the Municipality of Bani having 2-1 standing and Municipality of Aguilar having 2-3 standing. Parehong municipality ay nanggaling sa pagkapanalo. Kaya for sure, volleyball fans, ibibigay ulit nila ang lahat sa loob ng court. Dito natin malalaman sa fourth game kung sino nga ba ang magiging consistent, magiging all-out, at kung sino mag-stand out for our fourth game. Volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our fourth game is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Magandang hapon mga kababayan. Welcome back sa ating live coverage ng Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. The excitement continues as we move into our fourth match of the men's division for day 8. Thank you to everyone joining us here at the venue and to all our viewers watching through our live stream from different parts of Pangasinan. We are ready for another exciting battle as two teams coming off victories go head-to-head in this highly anticipated matchup.
Before we begin, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Bigwico III for his unwavering support and commitment to the development of sports in the province. Through his efforts in promoting grassroots sports, our athletes are given opportunities to compete, showcase their skills, and inspire communities they represent. A truly Pangasinan ang galing. As both teams continue their warm-up, let's take a closer look at our two competing squads.
First, we have Team Bani currently holding a strong 2-1 record in the tournament standings. Bani enters today's match with confidence after securing an impressive victory against Team Swal in their previous outing. Leading the way for Bani was player of the game, Limar John Perganan, who delivered a remarkable 13-point performance and played a crucial role in their successful campaign. With their momentum building, Team Bani will be looking to continue their winning form and add another victory to their record.
Standing across the court is Team Aguilar, carrying a 2-3 record and also coming off a hard-earned victory against Team Swal. Their recent win showcased their determination and ability to perform when it matters most. Leading Aguilar's charge was player of the game Carlos Kiza, who produced an impressive 15-point performance, providing the offensive spark that helped secure their victory. With renewed confidence, Team Aguilar will be aiming to carry that momentum into today's match and prove that they can compete with the best teams in the tournament.
These matchup promises to be another exciting contest as both teams enter the game with winning momentum. Bani looks to strengthen its position in the standings while Aguilar aims to continue its climb and build another winning run. Expect a battle filled with powerful attacks, solid teamwork, and intense rallies from the first serve until the final point. In just a few moments, we'll proceed with the official introduction of our players. Stay with us as the Governor's Cup volleyball action continues here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. First 6 for Team Aguilar, jersey number 1, 7, 11, 4, 3, 10. And for Libero, starting Libero, 16.
First 6 for Team Bani, jersey number 15, 5, 2, 12, 14, 11, and their first libero is jersey number 10.
This is the game 4 of today's men's division. Ang live coverage po ng Central Dagupan versus Mapandan ay dito rin po sa page na to, ngunit sa ibang live coverage po. Magkaiba po ang live coverage ng Western Conference at Central Conference, pero parehas lang po ng page.
Serving jersey number 11, Peralta.
First point, Team Bulinaw. Ay, Bani rather, sorry. Sorry po, it's Bani. Mamaya pa po pala yun, Bulinaw versus Alaminos City.
Solid attack coming from jersey number 7, Ambrose. Rivera.
Perganan is blocked.
Ambrose.
Over-received!
Lucky point for Team Bani.
Walang kumuha doon on the side of Team Aguilar. Serving jersey number 2, Gaitan. Peralta to Oskiza. And that is a check ball.
Macaraeg serving. Rivera to Oliveros.
Good ball. Free ball for Team Bani.
Purganan. And that will go outside.
I love the energy of the women's division ng Team Aguilar.
Macaraeg. Rivera.
And Nestor is blocked.
Still serving Macaraeg.
Over ball again. De Leon. Miscommunication. free ball for Team Aguilar. Peralta to the middle and Danya gets the point.
6 serving 2 lamang po ng 4 ang Team Aguilar. Still serving jersey number 4. Number 1 rather. Oliveros pushes that one. De Leon gives a free ball. Rivera to Oliveros, but it is straight through the net. Makaraeg. Rivera to Nestor. Peralta to Esquiza.
That is off the block. And first timeout for Team Bani. Lamang ng 6 ang Team Aguilar.
8. 2. Rivera to Porganan. That is outside. Rivera. Substitution. Rivera out, Raimundo in.
Palitan ng setter dito.
Makaraeg. Gaitan. Attack error for jersey number 11. Oliveros.
Still on the service zone. Jersey number 1, Makaraeg. Raimundo to the middle. And walang kumuha ng second ball.
Porganan on the service zone. Serving 3 on the service zone, jersey number 3, Esquiza.
Service error for jersey number 3.
Nestor. Good
Sharp
serve.
Danyo gets it through the block. 9-point lead here.
Danyo Raimundo 1-2 play.
Wow! What a smart play by the setter of Team Bani. Nakikita na natin dito ang pagdating ng Team Bolinao. Osquiza, Peralta sets it sa 4. And a point for jersey number 10, De Leon. Good reception. Raimundo to Gaitan. Good answer.
Now serving Raimundo. Back set to Del Rosario. Peralta to Ambrose. But that will sails outside. Point for Team Bani. Baba sa 7 point ang Kalamangan.
Solid block there for Team Bani.
Raimundo. Peralta to Macaraeg.
What a combination play.
Peralta serving. Short serve. Raimundo.
Point for jersey number 6, Del Rosario. Now serving jersey number 5. Osquiza. Service ace for jersey number 7, Ambrose. Still serving jersey number 7. Oliveros, Raimundo to the open. And a point for Nastor.
Still a 7-point lead for Team Aguilar.
Serving 17.
Gaitan. Peralta to Osquiza. Macaraeg. Raimundo to Oliveros, block. Oliveros still there. De Leon. And a 9-point lead for Team Aguilar. That forced Bani to a timeout. Makaraeg. Raimundo to Nastor. That will be a point for Team Bani. Gilido in. Makaraeg out. Del Rosario. Peralta. Teoskiza. Oskiza.
Too long for jersey number 3. Serving jersey number 14, Nastor. Good reception, Peralta, combination play. Artillero. Attack error there for jersey number 5. Still a 9-point lead here for Team Aguilar. Serving jersey number 4, Danyo. Raimundo, back set. Good ball. Andun si Danyo. Peralta will set it to the middle. And that is inside. Point for Ambrose. Still serving.
Serving jersey number 4, Danyo. Raimundo. Artillero, good. Free ball ibibigay ng Team Aguilar. Raimundo, 1-2 play. Oskiza. Oliveros. And that is a point for Team Bani. Good serve. Joust. Ambrose. De Leon is blocked. Peralta to Ambrose. Point for Team Aguilar.
Aguilar is on a roll here. Serving jersey number 10, De Leon. Raimundo, 1-2 play. Joust. Not net violation for jersey number 7.
Raimundo. Peralta to Makaraeg. And that point will lead to a set point for Team Aguilar. Now serving jersey number 11. Artillero. Makaraeg, block.
And Aguilar gets the first set. Score 25-14. You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. Nasa set 2 na po tayo ng ating laro. Aguilar versus Bani. First point, Team Aguilar.
Serving jersey number 11, Peralta. Rivera to Oliveros. Good ball. Rivera. Astrellero. Osquiza. Two serving one. Astrellero. Peralta goes to Ambrose. Oliveros. Andun yung libero. Osquiza.
Check ball.
Ambrose. Jersey number 7 serving, Ambrose. Good ball. Macareg. Osquiza 1-2. Oliveros. Peralta. Tumakaraeg. Good ball. Gaitan. Peralta to Osquiza. Drop ball shot. Mahuli. Osquiza ginawa ng paraan. And that is outside. Point for Team Bani.
Serving jersey number 11, Oliveros. Osquiza sa set kay Macaraag, Antonio Libero. Oliveros from the pipe, not over.
We are tied at 4. Now serving jersey number 1, Macaraeg. Osquiza. De Leon. Gaitan. Powerful hit by jersey number 2. Gaitan. Porganan.
And a service ace for jersey number 12 with the help of the net.
Nakakita ng sapatos na kulay blue and white. Precision 8, 9. Mabigyan na lang po dito sa may
Purganan, Osquiza. And Osquiza gets the point. Team captain.
Osquiza.
Service error. Peralta sets it to De Leon. And the point is awarded sa Team Bani. 3-point lead here.
De Leon.
Another error for De Leon. And Aguilar will call for time. After this game po, last match natin, Team Bolinao versus Team Alaminos City. Diyan lamang po kayo, wag po kayong aalis.
Jersey number 7 serving, Hortaleza.
A little lollier. Good reception, Peralta to De Leon. Nandun si Purganan. Oliveros will set it to Gaitan. Osquiza, Peralta to Danyo. Wow.
Danyo with a powerful hit. Now he's on the service zone. De Leon is blocked. Ten serving 6, jersey number 2 serving, Gaitan.
Service error for Gaitan.
De Leon.
Official score 11-7 in favor of Team Bani.
Rivera. Macaraeg is dog. Gaitan from the pipe. Peralta to Ambrose.
Wow.
And Peralta. Rivera to Oliveros. Osquiza, one.
Osquiza plays setter there.
May pasuntok pa sa hangin pagkatapos ng set na yon, partner.
Yes.
Peralta, good serve. Rivera to Astrellero.
And Artillero will serve. Great answer for Esquiza.
May konting fashion show, John, partner.
Yes. Gustong gusto niya yun.
Nirampahan tayo ng Esquiza.
Ambrose.
Oliveros, ginawa ng paraan. Block by Danyo. Isa na lamang po ang lamang ng Team Bani. 11 serving 12. Ambrose. Rivera to Porganan. Good ball. Makaray ginawa ng paraan, and that is still a point for Team Aguilar.
And we are now tied at 12. Nahabol na po ng Team Aguilar ang Team Bani.
Ambrose. Porganan.
And Aguilar gets the lead.
That is outside. Ambrose still serving.
One hand set. And Hortaleza gets the point. Buhay na buhay dito ang cheering squad ng Team Aguilar. Isiset kay Esquiza. What an angle. Ang Bolina versus Alaminos, dito rin po yun mapapanood pagkatapos po nitong laro ng Team Aguilar versus Team Bani. Nasa second set na po tayo ng laro ng Aguilar and Bani.
Serving jersey number 1. Makaraeg. Oliveros. Gaitan to Porganan. Drop ball shot. Good ball. De Leon.
Oliveros will set it to Gaitan. Pero wala sa tamang pwesto si jersey number 16.
Substitution on the court. Gilido in. Makaraeg out. Porganan on the service zone.
And a service ace by jersey number 12, Porganan. Balik sa Bani ang kalamangan.
Porganan.
Peralta back sets to Esquiza and then yung libero to Gaitan, and that is inside. 3 straight points for Team Bani.
And a 2-point lead for Team Bani. 16 serving 14. For Porganan still serving. De Leon. Rivera, tinasang bola pa kada kay Oliveros. And a lucky point for jersey number 11.
And humingi ng timeout si Oskiza.
Porganan. Peralta to Oskiza.
Good timeout there for Team Aguilar.
Oskiza now serving.
Sharp serve. And that is an ace for the team captain, Oskiza.
Isa na lamang po ang kalamangan ulit ng Team Bani. Oskiza. Hortaleza serving. Peralta inabol ang bola. Danyo ginawa ng paraan. Collision there. Point for Team Bani.
Substitution. De Leon out, Tamundong in. Oskiza. Peralta sets it to Danyo. Oliveros will give a free ball. Peralta to the open. Peralta, 1-2 play. Point for jersey number 11.
Danyo. That was too fast. Now serving jersey number 2, Gaitan.
No check ball. The audience of Team Bani, tuwang-tuwa sila. Dahil merong 4-point lead ang Team Bani. And that is a service ace! Make it 5-point lead.
Gaitan still serving. 22 serving 17.
Good reception to Ambrose, but not over.
Ipapahinga na po dito si jersey number 3 at si jersey number 11.
Reminders lang po yung mga audience po natin, bawal po kayo po dyan sa may upuan ng mga players sa mga teachers po. Okay. Dito na lang po kayo. Para may nakana. Thank you.
Serving jersey number 8. Tamundong.
Good serve. Sinet kay Oliveros and
The
Set
crowd goes
point.
wild, partner.
yes, set point for Team Bani.
Serving for the set, jersey number 15, Rivera.
And a service ace, and we are going to a third and deciding set.
May pictures na ng lalaki na Bulino at saka Bani. Baka po may nahulog kayong phone.
And you are still watching us here live at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. Serving jersey number 10. Peralta. Tumakaraig. Good ball. Oliveros. Block. Rivera to Oliveros. Drop ball and that won't work for Team Bani. Peralta serving. Oliveros. That is out. Deadlock at 2. Ambrose now serving.
Rotational error for Team Bani. Ambrose, Oliveros, Pergano will set it to Gaitan. Peralta, si set kay Oskiza.
Nakikita na natin ulit ang mga ngiti ni jersey number 3.
Yes, just like nung nakaraang game nila. Good serve. And that is outside for Hortaleza.
Ambrose still serving. Ambrose. Rivera to Porganan.
Solid block by Makaraeg. And Bani will call for time.
Ambrose. Misreceive. Porganan, blocked again! Point for Team Aguilar. 6-point lead. Still serving jersey number 7, Ambrose.
They are on a roll here. And a service ace by Ambrose. What a run. Still serving. Ambrose. Sets it to Gaitan. And Gaitan stops the bleeding. Purganan.
Peralta, tumakaraeg!
Wow! Just wow! What a combination play!
That is true, partner. Now coming in for jersey number 15 is Teja. Seven-point lead for Team Aguilar. That will work for Team Bani.
Good side out there on the part of Team Bani. Serving jersey number 14. Peralta to Ozquiza. Andun si Purganan. Drop ball. And net violation for Team Aguilar.
Baba sa 5-point lead ang lamang ng Team Aguilar. Nastor. Nastor couldn't handle that one, partner.
Good answer for Danyo.
Over receive and De Leon gets that point.
Regalo for him. Seven-point lead. Babalik sa dati niyang serve. Too strong for Ozquiza.
Gaitan. Good serve. Peralta to Danyo. Block. De Leon. Deflected. Teja to Artillero.
Wow. What a game.
What a fourth game, partner.
Yeah. Walang gustong magpatalo.
Gaitan still serving.
Peralta hinabol. Ozquiza from the pipe. Sinet sa open. Good ball. Peralta will send it over. Want to play din, pero babalik ka agad sa Team Bani. Sets it to Oliveros, blocked. Long rally here. Oliveros, andun si De Leon. Oskiza finds zone 6. No, zone 1. Wow! I cannot hear my own voice dahil sa sobrang ingay ng crowd.
I am too
Grabe.
stunned to speak on that attack coming from jersey number 3, Oskiza.
Grabe yung sigawan dito sa loob ng sports complex. Oliveros, drop ball. Ando si De Leon. Peralta. Oskiza from the pipe, but not this time.
Point for Team Bani. Now serving jersey number 16, Teha. Good serve. Peralta 1-2 play. Teha chases that ball. Oliveros deflected. De Leon.
You saw that, partner.
Dinasala ng first referee ni Oskiza, partner.
Wow! And the point is awarded to Aguilar. Back to Oliveros. That is outside.
The crowd is energized.
Wow.
Aguilar is pulling away by 7 points. 15 serving 8.
This is really an interesting game. Keitan. Teha to the middle. Aguilar is just enjoying and doing everything. Humingi ng timeout ang Team Bani.
8-point lead, partner, para sa Team Aguilar.
Yes.
Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Team Bani?
We'll
Para-
see after this timeout kung ano ang magiging response nila. De Leon. Gaitan. Teha. To the middle. Point for Altiliero. Good answer.
Artillero. Oskiza is there. Makaraeg.
That is inside.
What a point. Now serving jersey number 11, Peralta.
Teha. Back sets to Oliveros. Attack error.
Peralta, good serve. Teha. To Oliveros, drop ball shot. That will work for Team Bani to
Yes.
stop the bleeding.
Nagkaroon na doon ng variation si Oliveros. Peralta, back set to Makaraeg, drop ball. And the new libero, Teha to Gaitan. Pumasok sa blockers ng Team Aguilar.
Oliveros. Good serve. Oskiza!
Nakita mo yung pagrampa niya, partner.
So jolly. Jersey number 3, Oskiza.
Good reception, Teja. Back set to Purganan, and Purganan is blocked.
Still a 9-point lead for Team Aguilar. Ambrose on the service zone. Teja to the middle.
Nestor gets the point.
Purganan.
Too much muscle on that serve.
Teja to Gaitan. Gaitan again, block. Nestor. Ten-point lead for Team Aguilar. 22 serving 12.
Net violation there. On the side of Team Aguilar. 22-13.
Nestor.
Is received. Sets it to De Leon. Deflected. Teja. Oliveros from the pipe. Peralta. Oskiza! Combination play. But sorry, that's outside. So a point for Team Bani.
Nestor. Peralta to Oskiza.
Pinabawi ka agad si Oskiza.
Two points away for winning this match. Jersey number 3 serving. Oskiza.
Over-received. Peralta. Sinet kay De Leon. And De Leon gets the point. Match point for Team Aguilar.
Serving for the match. Jersey number 3. Oskiza.
Service error there. Match point saved.
Gaitan on the service zone.
But sends it outside. So Aguilar wins this match in 3 sets. Congratulations to Team Aguilar for winning this match, and congratulations din for Team Bani dahil binigyan nila ng magandang laro ang Team Aguilar. And our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Samantha Luis de Guzman.
It was a hard-fought fourth game we just watched, volleyball fans, mula sa Team Aguilar and Team Bani. Kitang-kita natin ang kanilang effort sa first set hanggang sa third set. Palitan ng momentum, palitan ng service ace, and palitan ng atake ang napanood natin for this fourth game. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Team Aguilar. Player number 3, Carl Kevin Usquiza, having 14 attacks and 1 ace. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game again. So, naman natin during your fourth game na natalo kayo nung second set. So what makes you eager para makabawi and mas maging malakas sa third set?
Actually, nawawala po kami second set eh. So, nung third set po, niremind po namin yung team namin na kailangan namin bumalik sa first set na laro namin. So, basically, ang nangyari po kasi masyado kaming nararattle nung second set. So, ang sabi namin, itong third set na to, may mantra po kasi kami eh. So, sabi namin na all out na kami kasi andito na kami eh. Wala na kaming choices. Ilalaban na po.
And naging worth it naman yung paghihirap nyo sa loob ng court. Dahil nakuha nyo ulit ang another win for your municipality. So after earning this hard-earned win, ano naman yung message mo para sa mga ka-team mo?
So, ang message ko sa kanila is, thank you syempre. Kasi kung wala naman po sila, hindi naman po namin makukuha yung panalo. So, team win po naman yun. So, yun po. Thank you.
So sino naman yung gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shout out?
So, first, I wanna thank God. So, and yung teammates ko po, gusto ko mong pasalamatan kasi lagi po silang andyan. Kahit kulang-kulang po kami sa training. And yung family ko po, tsaka friends ko, lagi po silang nanonood. And sa mayor po namin, si Mayor Cristal Ballesteros, and lalala po yung lola at lolo ko po na umuwi from ibang bansa. So, nanonood po sila.
Very supportive ang family mo. Parang always silang nanonood every game mo. Kaya naman pala, ganado ka sa loob ng court. So again, thank you so much and congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our fourth game here in the men's division. But stay here in our Governor's Cup page dahil magsisimula na ang ating last game for tonight. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.